This is the place where laws are enacted.
Those in favour? Those against? As have it.
It's Gordon House, the official chamber for both houses of Parliament. It became the temporary meeting place in 1960 when the House membership outgrew the seating arrangement at the prior chamber just a few yards below at Headquarters House. Once again, it's time for another change of location, this time to its permanent place for greater efficiency to manage the affairs of the people. The vision became clearer on May 17, 2018, with the launch of the Houses of Parliament Design Competition. The proposed location, the National Heroes Park. It's an opportunity for teams at home and in the diaspora to design the new building. And in vying for the coveted spot, their designs must also include the development of the entire National Heroes Park. This must maintain the sacredness of the Monument Park and include public recreational gardens and green spaces.
This is indeed a historic moment for downtown Kingston and Jamaica. Indeed, it is transformational.
Just imagine that whether you are an established architect or an upcoming architect, you have the opportunity to write the history of what this space and by extension of what downtown Kingston will look like in the future.
With the Houses of Parliament Design Competition now open, architects can now log on to OURJAParliament.com to pre-register and access competition documents. Registration will cost $20,000 and closes on June 14, 2018. As the government's chief development agency, the Urban Development Corporation UDC will be managing the competition process. To facilitate the designing of the new Houses of Parliament building, registered participants will be granted a guided tour of the site and the existing Houses of Parliament, and a bidders' conference to provide clarity where needed. Discussions will be on the use of the Parliament building and the build-out of the park. UDC team members will also respond to all queries at designcompetition@udcja.com. After this, it will be submission time, a 2-month window running from July 20 to September 17. The design submissions may be uploaded via the OURJAParliament.com website and delivered in a sealed package to the UDC office in Kingston. To select the top 5 designs, an evaluation committee or jury has been selected. It is chaired by architect Mark Raymond, who is also the chair of the Association of Commonwealth Societies of Architects in the Caribbean.
The government is collaborating to ensure that the final design meets the requirements of all parliamentarians and has therefore formed a bipartisan parliamentary oversight committee chaired by none other than the Honorable Carl Samuda.
Architects of the top 5 designs will each receive $2 million. In addition, first, second, and third place winners of the 5 will receive $5, $4, and $2 million respectively. And there is more.
There is also a People's Choice Award. And this award, we expect the public to have their say by voting on the entry that they believe is best suited for our application.
This project is what we all, as architects, dream about. Jamaica will have its new Houses of Parliament conceived, designed and built by Jamaicans.
This is a moment in history, so I'm really excited to be a part of this competition.
Jamaican international architect Gordon Gill is the patron of the competition, and he will be providing professional guidance to all stakeholders throughout the process.
I've been asked to help guide UDC so that the process is at an international standard.
The construction of the Houses of Parliament at the National Heroes Park is part of the broader development for the park and the redevelopment of downtown Kingston.
We're going to build this parliament, and it will be done in the best interest of all the peoples of Jamaica.
There's no doubt that this development will change the culture of the area, the mindset of the people, and the perception of downtown. All this change starts with this competition. That is what is symbolic and significant.
To learn more about the work of the Urban Development Corporation, call 876-656-8031 or visit their website at www.udcja.com. You may also follow them on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram, or visit their information center on the ground floor, Kingston Mall, downtown Kingston.